This is a video showing the condition of the Soltec Delta wave solder. I'm going to walk around here. This is not as we would ship the machine, this is just as it came in. So PC over here. Here are the parts that will be installed. Oops, keep it one way. Here's the transformer that comes with it. Those extensions you see there for hand loading. We're going to pause this video, put the covers on, and show you it looks with it all buttoned up. Okay, all buttoned up. I'll do it once around so you can see it. See the flux cover parts are back on. Okay. Please let us know if you have any questions.